Welcome to Profit Powerhouse, where we dive deep into the biggest trends shaping the financial world. The stock market is full of opportunities, but how do you spot the real game changers? SPY, Palantir, and Nvidia are revolutionizing finance, AI, and computing, but are they the right investments for you? Stick around as we break down their latest moves, financials, and what it all means for your portfolio. Let's start with SPY. This fintech giant has been making waves in the financial industry with its all-in-one banking platform. SPY's recent earnings report showed promising growth, with revenue surging and member numbers reaching new highs. With an aggressive expansion into personal loans, mortgages, and credit card offerings, SPY is aiming to become a one-stop financial powerhouse. However, challenges remain. Interest rate hikes and economic uncertainty could impact its lending business. So, is SPY a solid investment? Analysts are divided. Some believe its innovative approach gives it an edge, while others worrying about long-term profitability. Let me know in the comments, is SPY a buy, hold, or sell? Next up, Palantir PLTR, the big data and AI juggernaut. Palantir's government contracts and the expanding commercial sector are driving impressive revenue growth. With AI-powered solutions becoming more critical across industries, Palantir is positioning itself as an indispensable player in defense, healthcare, and finance, but there are concerns. Palantir's valuation has been a hot topic, with some questioning whether its stock price has already baked in too much future growth. Bulls argue that its AI capabilities are just beginning to be realized, while bears worrying about profitability and scalability in the private sector. Where do you stand on Palantir? Drop your thoughts below. Finally, we have Nvidia, a stock that has been nothing short of a rocket ship in recent years. As a leader in AI computing, gaming, and data centers, Nvidia is fueling the AI revolution with its cutting-edge GPUs. Recent earnings have crushed expectations, and demand for its AI chips is through the roof. Yet, even giants face hurdles. Nvidia's stock price has soared, making some investors wonder if it's overvalued. Competition is also heating up, with companies like AMD and Intel working to chip away at its dominance. So, is Nvidia still a buy, or is it time to take profits? Each of these stocks, SPY, Palantir, and Nvidia, brings something unique to the table. Whether you're a growth investor, an AI believer, or a fintech enthusiast, there's a lot to consider. But now, I want to hear from you. Which of these stocks are you investing in, and why? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. If you found this breakdown valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Profit Powerhouse, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of finance and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.